Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Apple Pencil double tap gesture in Goodnotes in 2026. Now do you know you can switch tools instantly with a simple tap? Apple Pencil double tap gesture makes your workflow much faster and easier. So let me show you how to do it. Now before we start, I have to notify you that I'm using an Android device or an Android tablet. I'm just using the S Pen. But it's likewise in the Apple with the Apple Pen. You're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store as it's both available on Android and iOS devices, and you can download it from there. Once you download it, you're gonna make sure you log in with your account, and once you're logged in, you're gonna make your Apple Pencil supports double tap. Make sure your Apple Pencil supports the double tap because only the second generation or newer Apple Pens supports the double tap. So make sure to Google your Apple Pencil model. Then you're gonna go to your iPad settings. You're gonna open your Apple Pencil. Then you're gonna enable the double tap and choose your preferred action. Also, you're gonna double tap the pencil to switch tools like pen, eraser, etc. You can also switch them by clicking on them in the bottom toolbar, as you can see here in this moving toolbar. And you can switch colors, etc. and write with your pen just like this. You can choose the pen's thickness, the line thickness, etc. like this. Now, double tap gesture, save time and make notes smoother. And you can set also the double tap to your most used tools and practice to build speed and keep gestures simple for efficiency. And use them to boost your productivity. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.